I wake up early every day because my kids usually wake up around 6, and mornings at home can feel busy but kind of nice too.
I feel the same way because once the kids are up, the day really starts and there is no quiet time anymore.
When they wake up, I say, "Good morning," in a calm voice, and I try to smile even if I feel tired.
Saying good morning is simple and it shows care, so listeners can repeat after me. Good morning, kids.
"Good job." And after that, I usually say, "Did you sleep well?" because it is a common and friendly question.
Did you sleep well? Is easy to say and it sounds natural, so please repeat, did you sleep well?
Sometimes the kids answer yes, and sometimes they say no, and both answers are okay.
If they say no, I say, that is okay. Today will be a good day, and it helps them feel better.
After talking, we go to the kitchen and I start making breakfast for everyone.
Breakfast is an important word, and it means the first meal of the day. So repeat, breakfast.
While I cook, I say simple things like, "Please sit down," or "Please wait a minute."
Please sit down is polite, and parents use it a lot. So repeat slowly, please sit down.
My kids like cereal and eggs, and I ask them, "What do you want for breakfast today?"
That question is useful, and you can use it with anyone. So repeat, what do you want for breakfast?
Sometimes they change their mind, and I say, "It is okay, but choose one thing, please."
Choose one thing, please, is calm and clear, and it helps kids focus.
While eating, we talk about simple things like school, friends, or the weather outside.
Talking during breakfast helps kids practice speaking, and parents can model simple English.
I might say, "It is sunny today," or "It looks cold outside."
Sunny and cold are weather words, so repeat, it is sunny today.
After breakfast, I say, "Let us get ready for school," and the kids know what to do.
Let us get ready means start preparing, so repeat, let us get ready.
Getting ready includes brushing teeth, washing faces, and putting on clothes.
Brush your teeth is a very common phrase, so repeat, brush your teeth, please.
I keep my voice soft, and I say, "Take your time, we're not in a rush."
Take your time means go slowly, and it sounds kind and patient.
When someone moves too slowly, I joke and say, "Come on, buddy, we need to go."
Come on, buddy is friendly American slang, and it sounds warm.
After everyone is ready, we grab bags and shoes and head to the door.
Grab means take quickly, so repeat, grab your bag.
Before leaving, I always say, "Do you have everything?" because forgetting things happens.
Do you have everything is a helpful question, and parents say it every day.
When we finally leave the house, I feel relieved and the morning rush is over.
Morning rush means a busy morning time, and many families understand this feeling.
On the way, I might say, "Have a good day at school," and I mean it.
Have a good day is simple and kind, so repeat, have a good day.
When the kids leave, the house becomes quiet, and I take a deep breath.
Quiet time feels nice, and parents often need a short break.
I usually clean up the kitchen, and I say, "Let me clean this mess."
Clean up means make things tidy, so repeat, clean up the kitchen.
After cleaning, I plan the rest of the day, like work, chores, and dinner.
Planning helps the day go smoothly, and simple English works best.
If you are listening, think about your morning and what you say to your kids.
You can share in the comments what time do your kids wake up.
After the quiet time starts, I usually make some coffee and say, "This is my moment to breathe."
Coffee time sounds great, and parents often say it helps them feel human again.
I sit for a few minutes, then I start doing chores like laundry or dishes.
Chores are daily tasks at home, so repeat after me, chores.
When I do laundry, I say, "I need to wash the clothes today."
Wash the clothes is simple and useful, so repeat slowly, wash the clothes.
Sometimes I talk to myself and say, okay, let us get this done.
Okay and let us get this done are natural American phrases people use every day.
Around noon, I feel hungry and say, it is time for lunch.
Lunch is the midday meal, so repeat, it is time for lunch.
I usually make something quick like a sandwich or soup.
Something quick means easy and fast, and parents like quick meals.
While eating, I think about the kids and what they will need later.
Thinking ahead helps, and English can stay simple and calm.
In the afternoon, I say, the kids will be home soon.
Will be home soon talks about the future in an easy way.
Before they arrive, I tidy the living room and say, let me pick up these toys.
Pick up means lift and clean, so repeat, pick up the toys.
When the kids come home, I smile and say, welcome home, guys.
Welcome home sounds warm, and it makes kids feel safe.
They drop their bags, and I say, how was school today?
How was school today is a great daily question, so repeat it slowly.
Sometimes they say good, and sometimes they say boring.
Both answers are fine, and boring is a common word kids use.
I listen and say, tell me more, because I want them to talk.
Tell me more invites conversation and helps language grow.
After that, I say, wash your hands and have a snack.
Snack is a small meal, so repeat, have a snack.
While they eat, I ask, do you have homework today?
Homework means schoolwork at home, so repeat, homework.
If they say yes, I say, okay, let us do it together.
Do it together sounds supportive and friendly.
We sit at the table and I say, take out your books, please.
Take out means remove from a bag, so repeat, take out your books.
When they feel tired, I say, you're doing great. Keep going.
You are doing great is positive, and kids need encouragement.
Sometimes homework feels long and I say, almost done, hang in there.
Hang in there is gentle American slang that means do not give up.
When homework is finished, I say, nice job, I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you is powerful and builds confidence.
Then the kids want to play and I say, go play for a bit.
Go play for a bit means a short time, and it sounds natural.
While they play, I start thinking about dinner plans.
Dinner is the evening meal, so repeat, dinner.
I might ask them, what do you want for dinner tonight?
That question helps kids feel included and heard.
Sometimes they say pizza, and I laugh and say, not tonight, buddy.
Not tonight, buddy, is friendly and calm American slang.
I cook while they play, and I say, dinner will be ready soon.
Will be ready soon helps kids wait patiently.
If you're listening, think about your afternoon routine with kids.
You can comment below and share, what do your kids do after school?
While dinner cooks, I hear the kids laughing, and I say, it sounds like you are having fun.
Having fun is a simple phrase, and parents use it to show interest.
Sometimes I check on them and say, play nicely and share, please.
Play nicely means be kind, so repeat, play nicely.
If there is noise, I stay calm and say, let us keep it down a little.
Keep it down means be quieter, and it sounds polite.
When dinner is ready, I call out and say, dinner is ready, come to the table.
Come to the table is clear and useful, so repeat, come to the table.
Everyone sits down and I say, wash your hands again, please.
Saying again is normal because kids forget sometimes.
At the table, I say, let us eat together and talk about our day.
Eat together helps family connection, and the words are easy.
While eating, I ask, what was the best part of your day?
Best part means favorite moment, so repeat, best part.
The kids answer in short sentences, and I listen carefully.
Listening is important, and simple English is enough.
If someone spills food, I say, it is okay, accidents happen.
Accidents happen is a calm phrase parents use often.
I remind them gently and say, please use your fork.
Use your fork is polite and clear.
When someone finishes early, I say, please wait for everyone.
Wait for everyone teaches patience and respect.
After dinner, I stand up and say, let us clean up together.
Clean up together shows teamwork, and the phrase is friendly.
I hand them plates and say, take this to the sink, please.
Take this to the sink is a real-life sentence parents use daily.
When the table is clear, I say, thank you for helping.
Thank you for helping builds good habits and kindness.
Then I say, it is almost bath time.
Almost means soon, so repeat, almost bath time.
Sometimes they groan and I smile and say, I know, but it will be quick.
It will be quick helps kids feel relaxed.
In the bathroom, I say, turn on the water slowly.
Turn on the water is a useful action phrase.
I check the water and say, is the water too hot or okay?
Too hot and okay are simple opposites kids understand.
During the bath, I say, wash your hair and rinse well.
Rinse means wash with water again, so repeat, rinse well.
If water splashes, I laugh and say, easy there, buddy.
Easy there, buddy is friendly American slang.
After the bath, I wrap them in towels and say, dry off, please.
Dry off means make yourself dry with a towel.
Then I say, put on your pajamas.
Pajamas are clothes for sleeping, so repeat, pajamas.
When they move slowly, I say, we're almost done.
Almost done gives comfort and patience.
In the bedroom, I say, pick a book for story time.
Pick a book means choose a book, and kids love this moment.
We sit together and I say, listen carefully.
Listen carefully helps focus and calm energy.
I read slowly and sometimes I point and say, look at this picture.
Look at this picture is simple and engaging.
When the story ends, I say, that was a nice story.
Nice story is an easy way to share feelings.
I notice they yawn and I say, you look sleepy.
Sleepy means tired and ready for bed.
I turn off the light and say, it is bedtime now.
Bedtime is the time to sleep, and parents say it every night.
After I say, it is bedtime now, I tuck them in and speak softly so they feel calm and safe.
Tuck them in means cover them with a blanket, and it is a caring action.
I bend down and say, sweet dreams, and I kiss their forehead gently.
Sweet dreams is a loving phrase, so repeat slowly, sweet dreams.
Before leaving the room, I ask, do you need anything else?
Do you need anything else shows care and patience.
Sometimes they ask for water, and I say, sure, one moment.
One moment means wait a short time, and it sounds polite.
After that, I turn off the light and say, good night, sleep well.
Good night and sleep well are perfect bedtime phrases.
I close the door quietly, and the house finally feels peaceful.
Peaceful means calm and quiet, a feeling many parents enjoy.
I take a deep breath and say, "The day is finally done."
Finally done means finished after a long time.
I sit down and think about the day, and I feel proud of myself.
Feeling proud is important because parenting is real work.
Some days are hard, but I remind myself I am doing my best.
Doing my best is a strong and positive sentence.
I want listeners to remember that small daily routines matter.
Simple words and calm voices help kids feel loved and secure.
If you are learning English, daily routines are great practice.
You can use these sentences every day at home.
Speaking slowly and clearly builds confidence over time.
Confidence grows when you practice a little each day.
Even short sentences can make a big difference.
English does not need to be perfect to be useful.
If this lesson helped you, keep going and do not give up.
Learning English is a journey, not a race.
If you enjoyed this kind of real-life conversation practice, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribing helps you get more calm and easy English lessons.
We share simple conversations that you can use in daily life.
These lessons are made to support and motivate you.
You are not alone, and many learners feel the same way.
Keep practicing and you will hear progress over time.
I would love to know about your own daily routine.
You can write in the comments and share your experience.
Do you have kids, or do you practice English with family?
Your comments help build a learning community.
If you want more practice, watch another video on the channel.
The next lesson will help you speak even more naturally.
Thank you for spending this time learning and practicing.
Keep showing up, keep listening, and keep speaking English.